All right, people, welcome again to MG Sports TV. I'm glad to have you guys back with us on another one. So, we're here to discuss none other than reggae boy Leon Bailey. So, Aston Villa had their first preseason. I think it's the first preseason against Walsall. Walsall is it Walsall? Walsall FC, in which they won the game 4-0. Quite an easy game for them, I would say. But most definitely, we know we have to highlight Leon Bailey. So I got a few clips I think you guys might want to see. He had a goal and he also had an assist in that game. Basically, somewhat like a highlight of Leon Bailey. So stick around, because I know you guys would definitely want to see that. But before I get to any details, I would really appreciate it if you guys smash that like button. People, hit that like button and show the channel some level of support, people. As you know, we're doing good things around here. So let's get in details. So it's pretty much a good performance from Leon Bailey, I would most definitely say. Let me see if I can open up. So this is actually the preseason friendly against the team. So here I'm going to show you guys a little bit about what Leon Bailey did in the game. So he started off with actually his goal. As you can see, he scores a screamer in the top corner. Keeper had no chance. I think they're gonna Leon Bailey celebration. I think he needs to find a celebration. Well, he does have a celebration, you know, that celebration where he put his two finger across his head, something like that. But you're gonna see it in a different view. Cameron Archer there, as you all know about Cameron Archer. I think you're gonna see it in a different view, and that's it. A lovely cross there. Chimps off the head. I think that's from, I'm not sure, but a lovely goal there from Leon Bailey. And basically, this is somewhat of similar to a highlight structure of what Leon Bailey did in the game. And I do think that he had a very fairly good performance. He only played for the first half still. No, remember we always worried about fitness issue and all these things with Leon Bailey. He looks sharp. I do believe that defensively he needs to work on his defensive structure, because when I was watching the game quite a few times, the winger down on his side would have broken free, and you wouldn't see him tracking back that much. But I do believe that during the preseason, as the preseason go along, that fitness will come in play. A few other players actually have preseason friends as well. So let's continue. I don't need to have music on this one. So that is another lovely one touch from Leon Bailey. Let me bring that back so you guys can see. Cross comes in, Leon Bailey in the center forward position right here as he dances to the central zone. Lovely control there, first touch, and he plays it off to the incoming. I'm not sure, is that Ings? Oh, and it actually played way off. Another dink pass there from Leon Bailey. Pretty much a fairly good play. This is Leon Bailey again, cuts inside. Oh, and a two-footed kind of tackle like would brought him down. And here's the assist that he played for Cameron Archer. Through the channel, defender goes for it, misread it, and that's Archer gone through to score his goal. But there's not a lot of details in regards to his performance. It's not a lot, but most definitely he did some work off the ball as well, like the tackles, and just trying to put something that he did where in which he had the ball. Just trying to get that involved in it. But most definitely a good performance from him at the start of the season. You can see that he's not fully fit in regards to match sharpness, but he will gradually get there. But you can see definitely the quality that he possesses and how he carries himself on the pitch. So most definitely looking forward to have a good season with Leon Bailey. But people, I won't go any further. I know you guys don't like the people talking. But anyways, massive respect, people. Guys, don't forget to smash the like button, hit the like button. Leon Bailey starts our preseason in a good fashion. Goal and assist for Leon Bailey. That is quite good. Let's see what this season holds for him. But most definitely, we keep in contact. We keep in touch with the preseason or the preseason structure. We have to do that, people, and see how the players progress. All the reggae boys progress in preseason. So most definitely, big up, people. Look out for more. And I'll see you guys again. Until next time, MG Sports TV. We're out. Boom.